All right, y'all. This is gonna be the first video of a series. Me explaining price, me teaching price. For those who were you were asking for it. A couple days ago, I was I made a video and someone commented that they wanted to get into it. They just didn't know where to start. So I was like, perfect opportunity for me to actually start my teaching. I've been wanting to since I got into trading, and I started to actually learn and like be confident in my trading. I wanted to get into teaching because I think it's a very useful skill, and I want to like teach other people how to actually trade, especially if they want to trade and they've been wanting to get into it. Even my younger brother, um, he said he's watched other YouTubers and watched their boot camps, and still they understand. Like maybe they were teaching the concepts, but they weren't also teaching how to trade. And to finish all that off, I want to get this series. Um, I want to teach y'all how I wish I was taught. Um, there's a lot to get into with that is that like there's also like a lot of things that beginner traders won't know until they're a year or two into the game, which I am. I've been trading for about almost 2 years now. Um, with trading, you have to first learn the concepts, and second, understand how the concepts work with price, and then third, form a strategy using those concepts based on what you learn. And then five, implement the strategy in the market using the data that you learned and how to trade. So that's basically like everything you need to know. There's a lot to go into that. Um, so I say we just start now. This is the beginner video. This is going to be on candle. Super simple video. Super simplified. This is like the beginning, cream of the crop, basics you need to know about candles and candle formations. So I just literally went to bar replay, went to the hourly time frame because it doesn't matter. Price is fractal, which means that whatever you see on the higher time frame is going to be the exact same thing on the lower time frame, just in shorter amount of time. So this is the 1 hour. Doesn't really matter. So we're just gonna look at this candle right here, this black candle. Um, and you might be thinking like, what is a candle? Well, candle is just a representation of where price went in that price point, depending on what time frame you're on. So in this time frame, it's been an hour. This is what price did an hour. It went down a certain amount of points. But okay, let's get into it. So candle structure. This body, this is called the body. You got this high, got the low, and then this is the high, and this is the low. So you have the candle close, high and low. And then you also have these wicks. That is what these lines are called, or they're called wicks. Like you think about a candle, you got the candle wick and you got the candle. It's pretty simple. Um, so with a down close candle like this, it's a down close candle, so that means that price opened at this high right here, the opening of this candle, and price went all the way down and closed right here. But with the wicks, so why the wicks are important, because it tells you where price went. Price went up, and then it comes down, and then it came all the way down. Came all the way down here, down to this low, all the way down here, but then ended up closing back up here. And that's the easiest way to explain it, most simple way to explain it. Um, there's not much to go off of with candles. Um, so like, that's about it. Open, close, wick, wick. This is where it went. This is where it went. This is where it closed. Let me do another example on this 1 hour candle right here. So the same thing. This is up close candle this time though. Price opens here at this low, comes all the way up here, comes all the way up here, but ends up closing down right here. So it's really relatively simple. Price opens at the low because this is a bullish candle, which means it's going up. So this price is increasing. Price closes here, wick, wick. I'm making it super repetitive because it's a super simple concept and there's not much to talk about. Um, it's just a candle. Like this is the cream of the crop. Like nothing crazy yet. We're gonna get into a whole list of things that you're gonna need to learn. Whole lot of vocabulary, whole lot of concepts. Um, Today's just the first episode of this series. I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. I'll probably figure it out after this video. You'll see whatever it's called when I post this. But yeah, that's it. I really don't know. I don't think there's anything else to talk about. I mean, it's 15 minutes. Everything's the same. Opens here, closes here. It went all the way up here, then it comes down. Okay, I can do that. Let me look. So look, we'll do the 1 hour candle right here. This hourly bullish opens at this low. This is the high. So we're gonna look at this on the lower time frame, 15 minute. So this is the hourly. This is the hourly candle we were just looking at. And this is the 5 minute in the hourly. So with this hourly candle, we come all the way down here, and then price opens here, pushes up here, closes, then price again opens here, closes here. But it went all the way up here, and it went right there. Again, price opens, closes, opens, closes, opens, closes. All the way up here, then price opens, closes, but then price opens lower. So we have a bearish candle, closes here, goes all the way down here into here, open, close, open, close. And that's just the hourly candle. That's the 5 minute inside of the hourly. It's all the same. 15 minute, 1 hour. And I think that was honestly the best way I could have explained candle structure. It's really simple, really simple. This will be the easiest thing you probably ever learn on this channel. Um, that's all I really got for y'all. I really have nothing else to talk about with candle structure. Um, some candles mean different things. Some candles show different things. You must know what a candle is showing and how it operates in order to know how to use it in order for your strategy to take trades. Um, so for this account, this series, I just want to teach y'all how to trade, how I wish I was trading, how I wish, my bad, how I wish I was taught, and then also the little things that people don't teach you. They don't tend to teach you because it's kind of just something you kind of have to figure out. But I'm gonna give you hints. I'm gonna give you everything I think that you need in order to be a successful trader off rip. If you're like watching this, you should be a successful trader. I'm gonna teach you everything. I'm gonna teach you all the above. Like I can get into it, but that's for another video. Um, if y'all already have a mentor and you started looking into trading, by all means, go look at their concepts. Uh, I'm gonna teach you what I think is true. There's a million ways to trade. I'm gonna teach you how I think that I wish I was taught. I'm gonna teach you how I wish I was taught. And if it doesn't work for you, that's cool. That's cool. If you don't want to listen, that's cool. I'm gonna teach what I want to teach. I'm gonna put my content out, what I think in my belief is what is true and was right. I just have like a calling. I want to teach others the things that I've learned over the past 2 years. Um, yeah. So first video, pretty short. Um, Probably gonna be some longer videos once we get down the line into liquidity and the actual strategy and putting everything together. They're gonna be longer videos because I got a lot more in depth to explain, just so you can understand. But candle structure, really easy. This is the low, this is the high, this is the candle low, this is the candle high. Really simple. I hope y'all understood that. If y'all got any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll probably answer it in the next video. Um, oh, forgot. I did drop my Discord, my live trading Discord in my Instagram. It's in my YouTube. It's in my it's not on my TikTok, but it's in my Instagram, and my YouTube. Um, for some reason TikTok wouldn't let me put it on there, which is weird. It's my link tree, so it's got like everything on there. But my Discord is in there. Um, I'm on call with my boy Dom. with he trades the exact same strategy I do, or it's basically the same. Today we hit $1,000 trade. Let me show you that real quick. He hit 1.3K trade. Let me just show you that quick. This is the trade. SMT, breakage, CISD, retracement to fair value gap, entry, target 830 highs. That was a crazy move. 120 points, insane. That's my boy. Me and him are trading every morning on call. I'm gonna have my other boy in there too, trying to teach him, and we're gonna run this up. So if y'all want to join, if y'all are trying to learn, um, I'm just a daily average trader trying to make it just like y'all. So y'all need questions, y'all want to learn, y'all want any advice, let me know. I'll help y'all out. But that's it for this video. I'll see y'all next time.